In a small town nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, a group of 5 kids stumbled upon an old, leather-bound map while exploring their grandparents' attic. The map was yellowed with age and marked with cryptic symbols and lines, leading to what seemed to be a hidden treasure. The group consisted of Sara, the brainy one with an insatiable curiosity, Mark, the athletic and fearless leader, Lily, the imaginative artist, Tom, the gadget geek who could hack anything, and Zoe, the animal whisperer who could befriend any creature. Each brought their unique skills to the team, making them an unstoppable force. Sara scrutinized the map and deciphered an ancient riddle that pointed them towards the Whispering Woods. With backpacks stuffed with essentials, the group embarked on their quest, each excited by the promise of hidden treasure. As they ventured deeper into the heart of the forest, the trees seemed to close in around them, their whispers growing louder. Mark led the way, machete in hand, clearing a path as they followed the map's winding trail. At the edge of a small, crystal-clear lake, they found their first clue, an intricately carved stone statue of an owl. When Tom gently pressed the owl's eye, a hidden compartment opened, revealing a scroll with more symbols. Lily's artistic eye spotted a pattern and, using her sketchbook, she quickly drew out the next path across the lake. They built a makeshift raft and paddled to the other side, where Zoe spotted an unusual rock formation that matched the map's markings. The next clue led them to a forgotten cave, its entrance covered in moss and vines. Inside the cave, they found a series of puzzles that tested their wit, courage, and teamwork. Mark boosted Sara up to reach a hidden lever, and Tom used his tools to solve a mechanical lock. As the puzzles became increasingly difficult, the group's bond grew stronger.